Good morning, dear students. Today we are having procedure to draw league fixture by following staircase method. So let's start it. Suppose we are asked to make a league fixture by having 7 number of teams. We are having 3 different methods to make league fixture. The first one is staircase, second one is cyclic or fixed, and the third one is tabular method. But if we follow staircase method, next step is to find out the number of matches, right? So number of matches will be calculated by following the formula, that is n will be multiplied by n minus 1 and get divided by 2, right? As you can see here, n is equal to 7, so we are having, and if we follow certain computations, we will be able to find out the number of matches. Here, as you can see, we are having 21 number of matches in this tournament, right? Now next step is to find out number of rounds. For number of rounds, we will use n minus 1. Okay, number of rounds are calculated in league fixture by following the formula, that is n minus 1, right? That will be 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, so we are having 6 number of rounds. So our next step is to arrange these teams in a specific manner to complete our draw. So we will start with our first round. As you can see in the round 1, the team number 1 will compete against all the teams participated in this tournament. As you can see, the first match we are having between team number 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, then 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, and 1 and 7, right? In round number 1, the team number 1 is competed against all the teams participated in this tournament. Now in round 2, as team number 2 already had a match with team number 1 in the first round, as you can see here these teams will not compete in this round. So it will be followed by the match between team number 2 and 3, right? As the team number 2 and 1 already had a match. So next match will be between 2 and 4, then 2 and 5, then 2 and 6, and 2 and 7. Right, so let's move to the third round. In round 3, here team number 3 will compete against rest of the teams participated in this tournament except team number 2 and 1, because as you can see here, team number 3 is already had a match with team number 2 and 1 in the round 2 and 1 respectively. Round 2 and round 1 में आप देख सकते हो, right? Then here will be the match between 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6, and 3 and 7, right? Similarly in round number 4, in fourth round we will be having 3 matches only, that 2 between team number 4 and 5, 4 and 6, and at last 4 and 7. Then in fifth round there will be 2 matches only, okay, between 5 and 6 and 5 and 7. So we are not left with enough space here in our notebook, so I will write it below there, round number 6, right? number 6. So in sixth round there will be only one match, that too will be between 6 and 7 only. So at last, as you can see that it appears like staircase, right? Okay, I will make it for you. Right, as you can see it appears like staircase, so that is why we call it staircase method. Right, we were having 6 rounds. In 6th round the teams are arranged below that, you can see.